All right, so this is just sort of a graphic I put together to show the Taurid meteor stream. And this is based, there's two ellipses here, which goes back to the work of Fred Whipple way back in the 1940s, who was the first one to realize that the Taurid meteor stream was the byproduct of this ongoing fragmentation of an original giant comet. Because what he was able to do when he did this succession of photographs is he was able to run the orbits in reverse. And once he did that, he could see that these separate pieces within the stream all converged on the same point in space, which told him that they were once one object. So, but anyways, what we've got here is, you'll notice here's Mercury, or orbit of Mercury. I should get my glasses here. Orbit of Venus, and then this third ring here is the orbit of the Earth. The green arrows show the direction of the orbit, so here's the orbit of the Earth. And here is the green arrows again show the direction of orbit of the stream. And you can see that the Earth's orbit crosses the stream late June, early July, right here. And then again, it crosses the stream around now, November, late October, early November. And this has led the Taurid stream to sometimes be referred to as the Halloween meteors because they peak right around Halloween. Okay, so what was the date of Tunguska?
June 30th,
June
1908.
30th. Yes. So the timing was perfect. The other thing was that the position where the meteor emanated from space was perfect because you can see that as the stream comes around the sun, if you're here on the Earth and you're looking up the stream, and here was the problem, why the object wasn't seen until the last few moments is because you had to almost look directly into the sun. And this is why some of the eyewitnesses described that it looked like the object was born out of the sun, or that the sun split in two and this fiery object came and exploded. You know, it didn't, here's an important point, it did not hit the ground.
It was an airburst.
It was an airburst. And a lot of what we might be talking about with the Younger Dryas would be airbursts. I just did a whole presentation on October 30th talking about the universal observance of the Festival of the Dead and its connections with the Taurid meteor stream. It's a very fascinating presentation. If somebody wants to learn more about this, you can go on my website. You can download it.
What's the website?
RandellCarlson.com.
Okay.
Okay. So when you're here, you're looking up towards the sun. But when you're looking upstream here, you're looking out into space directly towards the Pleiades.
Very important constellation across the ancient world.
Yes. And the Pleiades in traditional astrological context is the shoulder of the bull, Taurus the bull. And you can go back and there's lots of mythologies about, the Epic of Gilgamesh, where the Gilgamesh and Enkidu do battle with the bull of heaven.
And that's why it's called the Taurid meteor stream, because it appears to emanate from the region of space in which the constellation of Taurus is. It's not coming to us from Taurus, but it looks like it is.
It looks like it is, right? This is the general idea right here. You've got a radiant. The meteors are actually coming in parallel lines, but when you look upstream, they're all emanating from a point in space. So all meteor streams get their name from the constellation that they appear to be coming from. So the Leonids, obviously Leo. The Geminids, Gemini.
Orionids, Orion.
Exactly. The Taurids, Taurus. So we won't get into this a whole lot.
That Tunguska event, you had some calculations on the size of the
Yes,
the
the power of that event has been estimated based upon the destruction of the old-growth taiga forest. They were able to estimate how much energy, and the equivalent of that was about a 15-megaton hydrogen bomb. Now, how do you wrap your head around what a 15-megaton explosion would look like? Well, I got a graphic here that actually is an artist's depiction of what a 15 megaton explosion over a major city would look like. There we go.
Oh, Jesus.
That is a 15 megaton explosion. Now, Tunguska was one object. It was about 150 feet in diameter, moving at a couple of tens of thousands of miles per hour. So it's got this tremendous amount of potential energy. It comes in so fast that the atmosphere can't move out of the way. The atmosphere piles up in front of it, becomes like a solid, like a brick wall, and the object exploded maybe 5 miles up.